Hello everyone. Today we will be working on a tutorial where we will use Excel workbook to create a stunning report in Power BI desktop. This example is from Microsoft Learning, and I will create this report for the beginner level. So let's look into that what this tutorial is about. In this tutorial, you built a beautiful report from start to finish in 20 minutes. So that will be the report. Okay, and let's start. Here, your manager want to see a report on your latest sales figures. They have requested an executive summary of which month and year had the most profit. Where is the company seeing the most success by country or region? Which product or segment should the company continue to invest in? Using the sample finance workbook, we can build this report in no time. Here is what the final report will looks like. And so first of all, we have to download sample data different ways. Prepare your data with a few transformations. Build a report with title, three visuals, and a slicer. Publish. Okay, we can see that later on for if we want to publish. But here we will be working on a desktop, Power BI desktop. So before you start, you need to download Power BI desktop. If you are planning to publish, then you need to sign the free trial. Okay, get the data. So let's start with the new report. Use sample data. So if we use this sample data, here we have the financials. That's what we will be using. Now here we will need to transform, and it will take us to Power Query Editor. Okay, now let's see what we have to do here. We have the data. Now we'll see, we follow this step. If you have landed on this tutorial, you go ahead and we loaded the data. Now we have to prepare the data we have selected and then transform the data. So here it says units sold should be converted to whole number. So let's go there. Where are units sold? Okay. So here if we go there, right click, change type, whole number. Okay, so this is now a whole number. Let's see what's next we got to do. Segment. Segment, it is uppercase. So we will go back and then in segment, we'll go transform tab, uppercase. So these are now in uppercase. Let's see what's the next step we have to do. Here it says month name should be month. Let's shorten the column name for the month name to just month. Okay, let's go there. Where is the month? Here we go. We have this month name. We change it to month. Now In the product column, select the drop-down list and clear the box next to Montana. We know that product was discontinued last month. So in the product column, yeah. So here it says Montana product was discontinued. So we want to filter this from our report to avoid confusion. So let's click here. So it won't appear. Okay. Now let's see what it says. Now you see, if we go to the query settings, we have these steps. Query settings, properties, source, navigation, change, and we did these uppercase, change type, and these steps we have taken these steps to transform our data. Now let's see what it says. Back on the home page and close and apply. Let's go close and apply. Now it says you see, if we go to our data tab, Sigma symbols detected by the Power BI, these are numeric. So these are numeric, so these are summarized. And this is a date function. This is a date type column. It has a calendar signal. Okay. So we need to write extra credit. We need to write two expressions in DAX. Writing a measure and creating tables in DAX language is super powerful. Create new measure. Okay. That's what measure would be. We copy and then we go there, new measure, and we just copy this here, and then we need to create a table. In the home ribbon, select new table. Okay, for the new table, it gives us a DAX calendar like this. Okay, see we have a calendar table here. This is a new table we just created. Now, let's see what we have to do. Now we'll go to the model view. Okay, now what does it says? Drag date column field from the this, and we will link these together. So financials could have many dates to one of these calendar table. Calendar table have unique fields, these, right? So there could be multiple same dates which are linked to one of these calendar table date. So calendar table would always have one date unique, one, two, three, for example. It's for every month has it has all the months for 2 years, but not a duplicate value. This single unique dates. But here we can have multiple dates. So that's why it says many linked to one date. Okay, let's save it. It's created. Build your report. Now, let's go to the first. Let's build the report. First executive summary. We will add a title. Okay, let's go. This is our report view. Insert text box. And what is it says? Executive summary financial report. Hmm. Executive summary finance report. Size is 20. So it's done. Profit by date. Now you create a line chart to see which month and date have the highest profits. And what it says, drag the date field to the same visual. Hmm. Okay, we have a profit field here. Okay, so we bought years Year data from the date hierarchy, the year data here. Now we'll have to add months as well. Here it says quarter also. So we have these quarters, year, quarter, and months are here. In the visualization, when change the visualization type to line chart. Here we have a line chart. Okay, let's we have profit by region by country. So we need to create a map. From the data pane, drag the country field. You see, when we edit the country field, it shows the map. And from the data pane, drag the country field, from drag the profit on the map. Drag the profit on the map. You see these bubbles are now appearing. Canada, France. Okay, now we have these. Drag the profit field. Now we have to drag another visual 3 country profit by country by region. So we have to okay. So we have these two. Now what it says, in the data pane, so we have to put another chart here. And what is it says? We have to select sales. And then select product. And then we have to select segment field. Okay, so we have these. Okay, let's see what it says now. Here, slicers. Slicers are the available tool for the filtering the data. In this case, we can create two different slicers to narrow in on performance for each month and year. One slicer uses the date field in the original table, the other uses the date table you may have created for extra credit. Let's see how it's used. Let's do that. Okay, now we'll have to. Okay, can just adjust a bit. Okay, so we have done this also. Select the visual 2 and select the title section. We can format here. What title it says, profit by month and year. Profit by month and year. Okay, so we have this title, size to 16. Okay, now let's go select Visual 3 map styles, theme to grayscale. Grayscale. Okay, so we have that in a grayscale. Okay, so we have country. Okay, so this is done now. Let's go to the next slide. So now we come to this one. Sales by product in this uh, product and segment, and then it's 16. Okay, so this one is done now. Okay, so these in summary, this report answers your manager's top question: which month and year had the most profit? December 2014. Let's see. Yeah, it's December 2014, December, quarter four. Okay, that's good. We have done this objective. Which country in the region seeing the most success in? In Europe, the country Germany and France. We have two countries, Germany and France, are the most successful. Which product and segment should the company continue to invest in? Small businesses. Let's go there. Okay, so there it says we have this product Pasio and the government and the small businesses are the most uh, promising sectors where the company should invest. And now we'll save this report. Name, executive, executive, UMM, summary, finance, finance, REP, what is it? Focus. Okay, so we have created our very beginner level report just to have your hands-on experience. Those who are very new to the Power BI, that is very good exercise, and that will give you an overview what we can achieve with Power BI software. Okay, thank you everyone. If you need more information or have any specific questions, leave the, comments. I will answer that. Right. Thank you. Have a great day.